Supreme Court judges have begun a 7-day induction conference in Mombasa County, aiming to strengthen delivery of justice at the highest court in the land. The judges maintain that they will be deliberating on several areas, such as human rights, electoral laws, governance, as well as the legislative, among others.
Our rules have some few shortcomings here and there, and then when I go back, I can also see to it that we make some adjustments to suit the times. So I am here to learn a lot from Kenya, and I hope that Kenya may also learn a lot from me.
Now, the MOU that we have signed between the JTI and AGA Africa is an extension of that facilitation, but it's now meant to last for 5 years. AGA Africa has committed to continue facilitating the training, but also to help the JTI develop other competences for the judiciary. For example, establishment of a fully fledged library, both virtual and physical. And this will go a long way to enhance the research capabilities of our judicial officers, among other things.
JTI and the Kenyan judiciary has been outstanding partners. We're in 8 different countries, but there are some countries that when you explain to them what we're offering in terms of a conversation, what we're offering in terms of training and workshops, they get it right away. And JTI and Kenya and the Kenyan judiciary got it right away. They understood where the need was, where they needed training, where they needed more engagement, and we were able to put programs together to help in that effort. So we're all about the rule of law. We're all about working with the justice system in order to improve the administration of justice for all.
Chief Justice Martha Koome said that they were looking forward to learn from their colleagues in bringing better judgment to Kenyans.
We're looking forward to learning from them how they have been able to navigate and resolve election disputes and brought a lot of peace, and their countries have a lot of confidence in the judiciaries. This journey of protecting, promoting constitutionalism, protecting human rights and our democracy is a shared value in Africa, where we are developing Pan-Africanism, a movement of good governance, rule of law, and democratic governance. So we are looking forward to learning from our colleagues from these countries, how they navigated those volatile, difficult decisions. And their countries are peaceful. We learn from one another. Right now we are preparing ourselves for the 2022 general elections. So we are trying to keep ourselves abreast of all the rules, all the procedures, all the laws that will be applicable, to look at our past decisions, to look at our neighbors, our African brothers and sisters, how they have navigated, and to prepare ourselves and anticipate for all the problems that might come, and see how we can deal with them according to the law and according to our constitution.
They have also vowed to upscale the fight against graft, transboundary crimes under the renewed agreement for a training pact between the Attorney General Alliance Africa.
The two judiciaries have worked together. Indeed, way back 2013, then the Chief Justice of Ghana, Justice George Theodore, had to come to Kenya to work for the judiciary. It was a time when the Kenyan judiciary had some problems. And I think when there was an election, a dispute, and people were not coming to terms with the result of the elections, the late Kofi Annan, who had been the Secretary General of the UN and a Ghanaian, had to also come down to Kenya to see the political leaders to have the matter resolved peacefully. And even coming to the law, you see, we are all common law countries, and we have the same, we were tied to the same umbilical cord. And we studied our law from England, and It has now come to us that as countries from the same continent, we can work together and move on a common front so that we will tackle our own problems. Nobody elsewhere will come down to solve our problems for us. We must do that, and we will always do it to the satisfaction of our people if we learn from each other, correct some mistakes of the past, then we see the future as a bright one.
Esther Nzuma for Regime News, Mombasa County.